In this question, it is given that if the foot of perpendicular drawn from the point 197 to the line passing to the point 321 and parallel to the plane this and this is alpha beta gamma, then alpha plus beta plus gamma is equal to, you have to find the correct choice. Suppose this is one plane and this is second plane and this is their line of intersection, and we have a line which is passing through the point 321 and parallel to this line, that is just like somewhat of this type. It is passing through the point 321 and this line is parallel to this line. Then he is saying we draw perpendicular from the point 197 to this line, and this foot of perpendicular is alpha beta gamma. You have to find the value of alpha plus beta plus gamma. It's clear that if the direction ratio of this line are ABC, then direction ratio of this line will also be ABC. Hence, to find the value of ABC, we'll proceed in this way, that because this line is perpendicular to the normal of this plane also and this plane also, and direction ratio of normal to first plane is 1:1 and second plane is 0:3 minus 1. Hence, if ABC are direction ratio of this, from these three coefficients I can say A plus 2B plus C will be 0, and from here the coefficient of X is 0, that is 0:3 minus 1. I can say 0A plus 3B minus C equal to 0. Hence we get A upon minus B upon C upon A upon minus 2 minus 3 minus B upon minus 1 C upon 3, or I can say A upon minus 5 B upon 1 C upon 3. Therefore, direction ratio of this line are minus 5 1 3. Hence, direction ratio of this line are also minus 5 1 and 3. Therefore, the equation of this line will become x minus 3 by minus 5, y minus 2 by 1, z minus 1 by 3. And if we put it equal to lambda, then the value of x, y and z we get will lie on this line for every value of lambda. That is, the value of x I get is minus 5 lambda plus 3, the value of y is lambda plus 2, and the value of z is 3 lambda plus 1. Whatever is the value of lambda, this point will surely lie on this line, and I will find the value of lambda so that this point becomes the point alpha beta gamma. If these are the coordinates of this point, and we know that this line and this line are perpendicular, let us name this point as A and this as B, which is the foot of perpendicular. Therefore, direction ratio of AB become minus 5 lambda plus 3 minus 1, comma, direction ratio lambda plus 2 minus 9, third 3 lambda plus 1 minus 7, that is I get minus 5 lambda plus 2 lambda minus 7 and 3 lambda minus 6. That is, these three are direction ratio of AB. Direction ratio of this line are minus 5, 1, 3. And because the two are perpendicular, therefore minus 5 into minus 5 lambda plus 2 plus 1 into lambda minus 7 plus 3 into 3 lambda minus 6 equal to 0. That is, I get 25 lambda minus 10 plus lambda minus 7 plus 9 lambda minus 18 equal to 0. That is, I get 35 lambda equal to 35, that is lambda equal to 1. And putting the value of lambda equal to 1 in these three, I'll get the coordinate of B. That is, I'll get the value of alpha, beta, gamma. Putting lambda equal to 1, I get the value of x as minus 2, y as 3, and z as 4. Hence, alpha is minus 2, beta is 3, and gamma is 4. Therefore, alpha plus beta plus gamma is minus 2 plus 3 plus 4. That is, alpha plus beta plus gamma is 5. Hence, I can say fourth choice is the correct choice.